to download images from Pinterest on your device. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can download images from Pinterest to your device. Begin by opening the Pinterest application on your device. Use the search icon at the bottom to search for the specific keyword related to your desired image. Alternatively, scroll through the Pinterest app's newsfeed to find the image you want to download. Once you find the image you wish to download, click on the picture. At the top right corner of the picture, you will see a three-dot icon. Click on it to open the menu. In the menu, you will find the option Download Image. Click on this option to initiate the download process. Before the download begins, you may need to grant permission for Pinterest to access your device gallery. Click on Got It and grant permissions for camera, stories and gallery. After granting access, click on the three dots again and click on Download Image option. It says Image Downloaded. Once the download is complete, go to your device gallery to check and view the downloaded image. That's it, you have successfully downloaded image from Pinterest to your device. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.